Hi guys, today I am here again for posting another video for educational purposes about tarot cards meanings, and today I am using my Thoughts Tarot deck, very beautiful set of cards and having the details symbolically influences in it. So, I am here today for talking about the Eight of Wands card. This is the very much positive card, and along with the Ace, the Eight of Wands is one of the positive cards, most positive cards of the suit. It brings lots of communication, so you may be inundated with emails, calls, and exciting offers. If you are feeling that you have stuck yourself in any situation, then you can expect the movements immediately in that concept. If you are feeling that here are lots of delays in receiving for offer letters, for parcels, couriers, and you are just waiting for anything, then you can expect it immediately. You can expect the start of moments in the situation, and if you have felt held back or stuck waiting for decisions, you will soon have positive news. Eight of Wands, the fast moving energy of 8 number, it indicates the speedy situations when you will need to take your focus on the situation, and you will need to take right decision immediately. If you are working in any project, in any concept, then you can expect the very fast movements in that project, and all your projects grow wings and moving swiftly forward. You can expect it. So just be prepared for the shift. Fast, frantic events will energize you. This will happen because God wants you to be very much fast in your life for shaping the all situations of your life in positive form. But you will also need to prioritize any offers. So just if you want to purchase anything, you want to take any decision for buying anything, then please be aware for not taking the wrong decisions. Don't feel you have to say yes to everything. Just be wise and choose wisely and enjoy this frantic, exciting influence in your life. In relationships, the Eight of Wands can bring great news about love, particularly if you have been separated from partner recently or are waiting to hear from a potential partner, then you can expect that she or he will call you or will contact you. Usually, it happens exactly when we do the tarot readings about love and relationships, and we get the Eight of Wands in our reading. So, then we can expect the particular moment in the situations regarding our partner. You may be traveling soon to see one another, because Eight of Wands is the card also related with traveling for abroad based journeys, for moving yourself from A to B. It is also the card of the journey of spiritualism from subconscious to conscious, conscious to unconscious. So it needs to understand this card very wisely, because Eight of Wands is not just the physical transformation, it is the indication also related with the transformation of ourselves from present to future, but with very fast movements. Additionally, the card has often come up in readings to show the professions of carpentry work that involves using or building a framework. but it is not always compulsory that it will happen as same I am telling to you. If you get reversed this card in reversed position, then let me do the card in reversed position. Wow, the magician is here. This is now in the reversed position, so I am now letting you know that what it tells in the reversed position. When reversed position is filled with the 8 of wands, or the card is reversed, picked up by customer or by yourself, the simple meaning of this card in reversed position is delay. You may have lots of pending work to finish. All your works will be delayed. You will feel the appointments will be postponed. Customers will not come immediately, and you will feel that you are not happy on that moment. You will need to be patient. It is also important to discreet about any type of the situations you have just now. So try to be very very wise when you get this card in the reversed position. An additional meaning of the reversed card of 8 of wands is jealousy and way, and also it indicates the negative influences in our mind. 8 of wands is the related card with the negative aspects of karma, negative aspects of artha, negative aspects of moksha, and negative aspects of mansiktas. So you need lots of positive affirmations in your daily lives if you get this card in your reading with reversed position or card in reversed position. So guys, if you like this video, you got any knowledge, then please make a comment, and you can also contact me for tarot readings and tarot courses, and in description you can see my numbers. You can contact me directly via WhatsApp calls or text. I am available online and offline for all cities, states and countries. So be blessed. God bless you all. Take care. Thank you so much guys.